Hello and welcome with the introduction of Autodesk Tandem. In this video, we're going to create our own digital twin using Autodesk Tandem. How you do this? You go to intandem.autodesk.com and there you can go to start for free. After you installed or you registered yourself, you can start creating your own digital twin. In this case, I already did this. This is the interface of Autodesk Tandem. What we see here is our home button, facilities, and manage. Let's go to manage. In manage, you have all the possibilities to create facility templates. Later, more about this. You can create classes, you can create parameters, you can adjust your team, so your facility users and your hub users. You have the usage of the project. You can tag 10,000 assets, data points, and much more later on. More about this. You have a history, and I can add the parameter mapping. But first, we have to create a new facility. There is one button, Create New Facility. You give it a name, Test Project. You can have a template for it. I now will use the, let's say, master format. The project name is the test project. Facility owner, it's me, Benjamin. Address, it's not Primer storage, it's the EU for us. And I give it also a tag for example. Create and continue. And now our first facility is made. You can import models by uploading them, by just select them from a location on your computer or from Forma Data Management. I'm gonna upload them now. Label architecture. I select them for my BIM courses, digital twin tandem, and then I have here the Snowdown Towers. These are the examples which are provided by Autodesk. If you have Revit, I use them now in Tandem. For uploading files, you can use DWG, IFC, NWC, NWD, or Revit files. You can import multiple files. So if I do this again and I say I want to import them, you see they are importing the different file formats. If this is done, visible in default view, you can import them. After you selected import, Tandem will create a facility for you, where you can find, here you see the environmental things of Tandem. Above, you see the Tandem icon, where you switch between facilities. You see orbit, free orbit, select, pan, first person, zoom, focal length, and fit to view. You can measure, you can have a section, X, Y, Z, Z, and you can create a box. You can search in your project, and you have different facility views. This we all know. It's the view cube. By clicking on it, it is changing. But now we're uploading files, so it will take a few minutes. On the left hand of the screen, you have filters, you have assets, you have files. If I click here, you see that these files are uploading. Later on, I will show you how to manipulate them or use extra models by importing models if you, let's say, forgot to import models. What we have here, our asset template, we can create filters based on the parameters that are inside of the models, but that's for the next video. In the next video, I show you how to create filters based on these views.